manufacturing 1,000 doors a month. We'll have one design and color for all the doors, and this design is pretty awesome.
How is production coming along?
It is moving along very well. We are on track to meet the quota for this month.
Excellent. At this rate we should easily make $1 million this year.
Oh boy, there is almost no space in the warehouse. If they keep producing at this rate, we will be out of space by the end of the month. I better talk to the manager.
Hi everyone, the warehouse manager informed me that we are running out of space in the warehouse. Why do we have so much inventory? The warehouse manager suggested that we reduce our production rate until we make some more sales.
I think our problem is the demand for our one type of door is too low. The sales team said that people want a variety of doors, color and hardware.
So, what can we do about this problem?
Maybe we can wait until a sales order comes in before we make any doors. That way we can give the client exactly what they want. If we custom manufacture every door, the customers can have whatever they would like.
I think that is a great idea. We should try that.
I just received an order for 60 doors. We need to start production.
I will get the team on it right away. Send me the details.
Hey man. How is the order coming along?
Just not going as fast as I would like. The order is going to take longer than expected because we had to make every door from scratch. Getting the raw lumber, cutting it, and assembling the door takes too long. We finally completed the order. We are ready to ship it to the client. The shipping department needs to know where to send them.
We can't do that. The client withdrew the order because we took too long manufacturing it. I should tell Brian about this.
Hi everyone. It has been brought to my attention that customers are pulling their orders because we are taking too long to manufacture them. If we keep losing orders like this, we are going to go out of business. We need a new plan. Does anyone have any suggestions?
I think we should ask an expert for advice on what we could do. I think I know a guy who can help us. I believe he is available tomorrow.
Excellent. We will continue this meeting tomorrow. Joey, ask him to join us and speak on the matter.
Hi guys, I've heard that you've been through some challenges in your production, so I'd like to talk with you about push-pull production systems. The concepts are simple. Let me start with push production. In a push system, it is required to make a market forecast of what demand will be, then produce a quantity to meet that forecasted demand, as you first attempted. Some of the problems with push systems of production is high inventory. Also, with so much work being pushed through the system, it can create a lot of rework.
So because we were first using a push system and not offering any variability, we were not making any sales, and our inventory continued to stock up until we ran out of warehouse space.
Correct. Now, let's talk about a pull production. Pull system is driven by customer demand. The production process begins after an order is placed. One of the main challenges that face pull production system is long lead times. Each customer has different order, which makes every product is a custom made.
If we can't make sales with a push system, and we can't finish in time with a pull system, what can we do?
Push-pull production system initially pushes a set of raw materials and products based on market forecasts, and then, at certain point, the customers are able to customize their orders. The customization point may be placed in different points of the production line based on the nature of the products.
So we could produce a variety of styles, but we leave them as unfinished blanks. That way the customer can choose from our stock, then decide what color and hardware they would like.
Well done, Brain. The point which the customer asks for hardware and color called decoupling point.
So, decoupling point converts the production systems from push production into pull production?
Yes. Implementing this system will give you space in your warehouse, and will reduce the lead times for orders.
I think if we implement what we learned, customers will be fully satisfied. Thank you, Danielle, for taking the time to explain this to us. Hello everyone, now that we have had some time with the new push-pull production system in place, tell me how everything is going.
Sales are up and continuing to grow steadily. We have had no withdrawn orders, and overall the customers seem really happy.
Production is moving along smoothly, and we have expanded the production floor just to keep up with the customer demand, And we're implementing some new variety in the styles we will be stocking.
People like the idea of new variety and have made suggestions as to what we should do. I believe that if we continue to listen to our customers' feedback, we can increase sales.
Excellent. With the profit margin at its highest, I think it is time for you all to get a raise. You have earned it.
Lean aims to maximize customer value by eliminating waste through continuous improvement. The first step to building a culture of continuous improvement is for everyone in the organization to learn to see the 8 common forms of waste that surround them. Once people recognize these wastes, they can apply their skills and knowledge to eliminate them. The acronym DOWNTIME can help you remember the 8 wastes. Defects that result in rework or scrap. Overproduction, production that is made before it's needed. Waiting for materials, equipment, people, or information. Not utilizing employees, not utilizing people's knowledge, skills, and talent. Transportation, unnecessary transporting of products between processes. Inventory, holding too much product or stock. Motion waste, unnecessary bending, stretching, walking, and lifting. Excessive processing, producing items to a higher standard than the customer requires, or performing process steps that add no value.